Look at this salad. Brand new salad.
Frugal friends, groceries are expensive. They are crazy expensive right now. Inflation is out of control. It is hard for people to even feed their families right now. And so, especially now when food does not live up to what it should, when it's almost inedible or absolutely is inedible or even just not worth the cost that you paid for it, you have got to get a refund. So let's talk today about my experiences with the Walmart Plus refund system that I've had to use recently, unfortunately, several times. As you can see, the return process is actually really easy online, especially for produce. Generally, if it's within a certain dollar amount, you don't need to actually bring it back to the store. For most other items, especially if they're over like $1, you are going to need to bring them back to the store. But with produce, I haven't found that to be the case. Of course, if people mess with this, please don't, then you'll ruin it for everybody. Simply open up your Walmart Plus app, go to your recent purchases, click on Start a Return, scroll down to the offending item and click it. It will ask for a reason. I generally go with poor quality because that is the case. It'll ask if it has been used or not. Then it does give you the option of leaving a comment. I do often leave a comment. Why? I don't know. Does anyone ever even read it? I have no idea, but I go ahead and do it anyway. You'll submit your refund request and generally it will happen immediately. So please be honest when using this feature. I am just wanting to show you how to do it, how easy it is to do, and to share my experience with it. I've never had a problem getting a refund on bad produce, and the refund is actually really, really fast. Please tell me in the comments your experiences with Walmart delivery or other grocery delivery services and their return policies and procedures. Thank you so much for watching, Frugal Friends. I do hope that you are subscribed. Have a wonderful day. Let me know about your experiences, with groceries and the ridiculousness of it all right now, the impossibility even of it, and with Walmart Plus, and any other services that you are using. We'll see you all real soon.